So today we're taking a look at the Soundpeats Truengine SE, and this is definitely one interesting looking earbuds with its dual dynamic driver design. Definitely it's one way to stand out from the sea of true wireless earbuds that pretty much all look the same nowadays. So is this earbuds worth your money? Let's take a look. Hi, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to my channel and leave a thumbs up on this video. So let's get on with a review and an unboxing of these earbuds. So I got these earbuds for roughly around 180 ringgit Malaysia, or if you're in the US, this goes for around US 48. I'll leave my affiliate links down in the description below, and if you plan to buy these earbuds, do consider using my link and it would really help out the channel a lot. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. From the box outside, you can see that Soundpeats give you a very clean picture of the earbuds. You can see how nicely this thing is designed and the branding here, Truengine SE. On the side here, you can see that it says Sound for Urban Sports, so there's a very cool dude right there. And at the back, it shows you stuff about the case and the earbuds, some information about where they're from, and that's it for the box. So let's take a look at what's inside. So I have my trusty blade here, so let's open this earbuds. And the first thing you're greeted with is the user manual. Once you take out the user manual, the next thing you'll see is the case itself. So I believe the earbuds are inside the case. We also get a micro USB cable. We get extra ear tips, so there's a small and a large ear tips here. And apart from that, you also get some charging tips for your earbuds and some information about customer care. So that's all for the contents of the box. Let's put all of this aside and let's take a look at the earbuds themselves. So in terms of the design and the build, the earbuds and the case are made with high quality rubber-like plastic, and it feels a little bit hefty, not very heavy, but yet very premium at the same time. The lid has a very solid feel to it, and opening it feels solid, it doesn't feel cheap, and it snaps in place with a satisfying magnet. And the earbuds also sit snugly inside the case, held by magnets. So if you drop it in, it just sits nicely into the case. So on the front of the case, there are 4 LED lights, which indicates the amount of charge that the case can hold. So the earbuds give you a total playback time of 6 hours, and with the case it gives you roughly a total of 27 hours of playback. So the case should provide you with roughly around 4 times charge cycle, and the entire case charges up at roughly around 2 hours. On the back of the case, there's a micro USB port. Again, very unfortunate that there is no USB Type-C charging, so meaning you need to bring that extra micro USB cable when you travel about. The earbuds do stick out a little in your ears, so some users may feel that these earbuds won't fit too well in their ears. Nevertheless, these are comfortable, but they may fly out during hardcore exercise. So that is something to consider when getting these, because these earbuds do stick out in your ear quite a little bit. So to be honest, it was quite unfortunate that the Soundpeats Truengine SE still runs a micro USB charge port. But for me, that is one of the only downside of these earbuds. So Soundpeats have managed to pack in many modern features into these earbuds. So the first obvious one would be the dual dynamic drivers you can see inside here. So you can see in the close-up that there is 2 dynamic drivers inside. So this is one of the first brands that does this. Many multi-driver earbuds today are usually balanced armature drivers, but the Soundpeats is putting in 2 dynamic drivers to give you that deep bass and hopefully clear mids and highs, so we'll test that out later on in the video. The earbuds also features Bluetooth 5.0 with Qualcomm's latest chip supporting aptX codec, so let's hope later in the test that we get good sound plus low latency in these earbuds. So other features of these earbuds is that it's rated to be IPX5 water resistant, it has CVC for noise cancelling for voice calls, and also did I mention that these earbuds have a dual dynamic driver design? And so basically that's some of the features that the Soundpeats Truengine SE have that makes it such a great package overall. So in terms of sound signature as well as the call quality, having this dual dynamic driver definitely helps widen the entire soundstage of these earbuds. So these earbuds provide very good bass response but kind of loses out on the mids and the highs. It's not terrible, but it's also not muddy. These earbuds are designed with more bass emphasis, and it's not so much a bright, clear soundstage that you get in other earbuds. So it also feels that the sound is coming from slightly far away from your ear, I think because due to this extended ear tips, so it makes the entire soundstage feel like it's further away from your ear, which is also definitely a good thing. It doesn't feel all up in your ears, and it's just a good amount of distance in my opinion. So if you're someone who enjoys that nice solid bass and overall great sound quality, you definitely have to consider these earbuds. Plus, with the all-day battery and IPX5, you can easily transition this from your transit to your work and ultimately to the gym. That should last you the entire day. So the overall phone quality and the microphone quality for calls is quite good. Obviously, people can still hear that you're talking to them over earbuds, but it's not bad considering the mic is pretty far away from your mouth. And there are two microphones on the Truengine SE, one for taking calls and one is for the CVC noise cancelling. But in noisy places, the call still holds up pretty well and people can still hear me fairly good. So that is definitely a plus point for these earbuds in terms of call quality. So in order to connect the Soundpeats Truengine SE to your phone, it's really a quite simple process. So all you got to do is open up the case, go into your Bluetooth settings and click on scan, and what you got to do is just pull out the right side earbuds and you will see that the earbuds will start flashing in this case. So what happens is that now the phone should be able to detect the Soundpeats Truengine SE. There you go. All you got to do is click on it. Alright, and click OK. I'll connect to it. And you can see now that the Soundpeats Truengine SE is connected to your phone, and you can see the percentage of battery that the earbuds have. So that's basically how you connect the Soundpeats Truengine SE to your device. So the latency on the Truengine SE is very low. And this is all thanks to the new Bluetooth 5.0 and that Qualcomm QCC3020 chip that supports aptX low latency codec. So watching videos, gaming using these earbuds is definitely very enjoyable. So let's take a look at one of the sample videos to test the latency of these earbuds. So this is a video to test the latency of the Soundpeats Truengine SE, and what I'm going to do is clap into the microphone and you should be able to see whether or not these earbuds have a delay or latency in terms of its audio and video synchronization. So I'm going to clap into the microphone now. So with that, you should be able to see whether or not these earbuds do actually have a latency problem. So one thing I really like about these earbuds is that the controls for the earbuds of the Truengine SE is very comprehensive and allows you to control everything you need from the buttons on the earbuds. So the earbuds allow you to control the volume by simply double tapping the earbuds. So 2 taps on the right side lets you volume up, and 2 taps on the left side lets you volume down. So to skip media forwards or backwards, long press on the right side and left side respectively to go forwards or backwards. And to answer and end calls, just simply press the button once on either side of the earbuds, and ultimately to activate the assistance, simply triple tap either earbuds and you will bring up assistance. So any earbuds today that allow you to control its volume is definitely a plus point, and I think this control implementation should be mimicked across earbuds manufacturer. The Soundpeats Truengine SE is one beast of an earphones definitely, and for its price point you definitely don't have to look further if you're looking for an earphones with great overall sound quality and an emphasis on bass. So some of the pros of these earbuds definitely is that it has a unique and beautiful design. So you can see that the way this earbuds design is ultra unique and ultra beautiful, with its transparent housing and the dynamic driver design at the back. What we also love about these earphones is that it comes with modern features such as Bluetooth 5.0, it has IPX5 rated water resistance, CVC noise cancelling for calls, and also that low latency apEx codec support. We also hope that the battery life could be better, but 6 hours and 27 hours in total is actually quite decent for earbuds like that. And also the earbuds are decently priced at 180 ringgit Malaysia or 48 US. It's definitely not too expensive. So for me, in terms of down points, there are only two main ones for these earbuds, and number one, it still runs micro USB, and I really hope that earphones moving forwards can all run USB Type-C. So I think that many reviewers out there are also talking about having one cable to charge all of their device, and that should be the trend moving forward. And secondly, one more thing that I think is not a very good point about these earbuds is that the design of how the earbud sits in your ear makes it quite hard to stay on during hardcore workouts, because you can see that in order to house that dual dynamic driver, this thing has to stick out your ear quite a bit, right? So for some people, this may not be the best implementation for earbuds to work out. But overall, these are really amazing earbuds, and I'm really happy to see that True Wireless earphones have such amazing quality and have improved to these standards today, right? Since many phones nowadays have already removed the headphone jacks, we really need great companies to make great earphones moving forward. So basically that is it for this review, and if you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.